The secret ingredient, pasta water.
Pasta water is more than a byproduct of cooking noodles. This starchy, salty liquid has a unique chemistry that makes it a powerful tool in the kitchen. Whether you're a home cook or a pasta pro, understanding why pasta water matters can transform your sauces and elevate your entire dish.
What happens when pasta boils?
As pasta cooks, starch molecules are released into the boiling water. At the same time, most cooks add salt to enhance flavor. The result is a lightly salted, cloudy liquid filled with dissolved starches. This reaction is at the heart of why pasta water is so useful when finishing sauces.
How starch changes your sauce.
When starchy pasta water is added to sauce, it acts as a natural thickener. The starch helps emulsify fats and liquids, binding ingredients together for a smoother texture. This means sauces become silkier, cling better to noodles, and avoid separating into watery or oily layers.
Flavor and consistency boost.
Pasta water contains dissolved salt and starch, both of which enhance taste and mouthfeel. Using it gives your sauce a slight boost in seasoning and the right touch of body. Instead of diluting flavors, pasta water helps balance the thickness and flavor of your finished dish.
Tips for the perfect pasta sauce.
To make the most of pasta water, reserve a cup before draining your pasta. Then, add some to your sauce and toss with the noodles, adjusting the amount for the desired consistency. This simple science-backed trick ensures restaurant-quality results every time you cook pasta at home.